Alright, March 15th, I replaced the lemon tree with an orange tree. I wasn't happy with the last tree. We went ahead and replaced this today. Home Depot, it's got a year's warranty. Valencia Orange. So hopefully it won't, hopefully this one will take off like the other one did. Too bad that I chose that crummy lemon last time instead of the orange like I should have. This is it. Again, March 15th, 2018. Got a couple of baby banana trees, some Cavendish. So I got 1, 2, 3. But we're waiting on the big tree to bloom. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and get this one here from get this one posted.